Good day guys, welcome where Maths is made easy with teacher Satya here. In this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the volume of a sphere when we know its radius and diameter. Make sure you stick along and watch the entire video to have a better understanding of this topic. Now let's get to it guys. So the formula to find volume of a sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Right guys, so in question number 1 what we have is the radius is 3 centimeter. So what we would have is 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3 to the power of 3. Right guys, so 3 to the power of 3 in other words is same like 3 times 3 times 3. Right guys, so what we would have is 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 3 times 3 times 3. Alright guys, now as you can see here, this 3 and this 3 can simplify itself, so which would make our calculation that much easier. Now what we would have on the numerator is 4 times pi times 3 times 3 is 9 and 4 times 9 is 36, so we would have 36 pi, right guys. Now if we take the value of pi as 3.14, 36 times 3.14 would give us 113.04 centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Alright guys, now let's go to the next question when we know its diameter. Now, as we all know, in order to find the volume of a cube, we need to know its radius. And we all know that the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, right guys? So in this question, it will be 8 millimeter divided by 2. Therefore, our radius is 4 millimeter. Okay guys, now once we have this, we use the same formula to find the volume. Volume is 4 over 3 times pi r cubed. So what we have here is 4 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by 4 to the power of 3. Right guys? So we would have 4 over 3 times pi times 4 to the power of 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which would give us 64. Right guys? Now 4 times pi times 64 should give us 256 pi divided by 3. Now if we take the value of pi as 3.14 again, so 256 times 3.14 should give us 803.84 divided by 3, and our final answer would be approximately 267.94, and the unit would be millimeter cube. Alright guys, and that is how you would find the volume of a sphere. Now if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to hit on that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future maths videos. Until next time guys, have a nice day.